The following segment is sponsored by Parris RV. I am here at Parris RV talking with Brett. Brett, it's September. There's still plenty of time to hit the road, make those memories with your family. Let's talk about this one. This is a good size for me. I'm comfortable with this one.
Yeah, you know, this is a super cool little easy to tow teardrop trailer. It's a 2021 Bushwhacker Plus. The manufacturer is Braxton Creek, and they just make a real super high quality and like you said, easy to handle trailer.
Okay, and you were also saying, I mean, some people have taken out the big RVs. They just want something smaller. This is great for them too.
You know, really anybody could use something like this. You know, if you've had something big and you just kind of want to get back to simple, you know, you can park this thing on the side of your house. A lot of times park it in a garage. You know, pull it out, you know, head up the canyon full speed. It's not slowing you down because it only weighs, right around 2,000 pounds. So it's super easy to tow. You got a small crossover type vehicle, you can tow this thing.
And it still has all the bells and whistles. I mean, inside there's a shower, there's a toilet, there's a kitchen, a nice place to sleep. How many people can sleep in this one?
Yeah, so it's got a great big U-shaped table in the back, and that makes down for a queen bed, which is just perfect for two people. And then it's got, you're right, it has everything. You're not giving anything up. Even though it's small, you really give nothing up. It's got a shower, it's got a toilet, it's got a sink, it's got a fridge, it's got air conditioning, it's got a furnace, it's got a stereo with a sound system. Really everything that a big trailer would have, but in a super small, compact package. And then don't forget that it's got an off-road set of wheels and tires, so if you want to get in the backcountry, get off the grid, you know, something like this, it's nice because you know, you get off the beaten path and you want to get between the trees, small will get there.
Absolutely. And the freedom. We were talking about this a little bit earlier, the freedom of if you want to go to one place and maybe, it didn't work out too well, you want to go to the other place, you don't have the hotel reservation that you have to cancel or try to make other reservations, you just get up and go. Yeah,
RVs really give you a sense of freedom. It doesn't matter. If you're in a place where you're getting sick of it, you know, you just hit the trail and go to the next spot. I mean, you're not glued to any reservation. Really go wherever you want to go, and you can really leave everything you need in a trailer like this so that, you know, you come home on a Friday night. How simple is this? You'd throw a bag of clothes and a bag of food in this thing, and you hook it up to your small little SUV or something, yep. Head up the canyon, spend a couple of nights, enjoy the outdoors.
Well, and I really do remember those trips that I took with my family. I think about memories, you know, when I was a kid and everything that I did with my parents. I don't really remember what they got me for Christmas. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I'm sure it was great, but I do remember those trips.
Yeah, those RV trips, boy, you know, you talk to anybody and you ask them if they RV'd and ask them if they remember, they'll have those memories, and they always do. And so, you know, I look at it and say, would you not want your kids to have those same memories? I mean, you get something like this, you know, yeah, this sleeps two, but if you had a couple of small kids, you might be able to cram them in there. But RVs are just a great way of life. Like I said, it's a sense of freedom, and something like this is really easy because it goes behind just about any vehicle, and it's easy to store.
Well, and at Parris RV, you really have something for every budget. You can cover all, right?
Yeah, we got little trailers like this Bushwhacker Plus behind us, all the way up to motorhomes. Don't forget, we're a huge toy hauler dealer. We've got parts, we've got service, everything you need to take care of your RV adventure.
Well, we've done a lot of segments with you. We love coming out here, Brett. You really know so much about an RV. So if you're gonna get into one, Parris RV is the place to go because they will take care of you. Where can we find you, Brett?
Yeah, Parris RV has two great locations in Murray. This particular Bushwhacker Plus is down at our south location, which is 5545 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Plenty of time to still hit the road. It's September. Brett, thanks so much.
Thank you.